Students, so in the previous video we had discussed the questions based on the concept of electric field, right? Now in today's video we will understand a very important concept of electric dipole. What is a dipole? What is the unit of electric dipole? What is dipole moment? And how to calculate the electric field for a dipole. Okay, electric dipole. Di means two, right? A system of two equal and opposite charges. System of two equal and opposite charges separated by any finite distance. Separated by any finite distance. Let us take it as 2a. This arrangement is known as a dipole, electric dipole. Once again, system of two equal and opposite charges separated by finite distance. Clear? This arrangement is known as a dipole. System of two equal and opposite charges. That means if Q is 5 coulomb, then minus Q will be minus 5 coulomb. If I am taking Q as 10 coulomb, minus Q will be minus 10 coulomb. If Q is 50 coulomb, this will be minus 50. Clear? System of two equal and opposite. See, magnitude wise they are equal. Magnitude wise they are equal. So system of two equal but opposite in nature. Two charges separated by any finite distance of 2a. Clear? Any finite distance. It is not always compulsory that you will denote this finite distance by 2a, right? You can take a distance d also, there is no problem. System of two equal and opposite charges separated by any distance d. That is also okay, right? So this arrangement is known as a dipole. Clear? Like we have seen this in HCl, you will be having H plus Cl minus, both are separated by some distance, so it's a dipole. You will learn about polar molecule, non-polar molecule. In that you will understand what is the exact meaning of electric dipole. In short, dipole means system of two equal and opposite charges separated by some finite distance. This is known as an electric dipole. Clear? But make sure if this is 5, then this should be minus 5. 5 minus 50, 5 minus 10, no. That arrangement is not known as dipole. Now, why we are taking a distance 2a? In many of the books, the distance is given as 2a. That means, take this as center of the dipole. Let this be y-axis, this be x-axis. So this is how, this is a, this is also a. That is why we are taking it as 2a. Clear? It is not always fixed or compulsory that you will denote the distance by 2a. You can denote it by d also. There is no problem. The distance should be finite. Clear? Okay. This is a. Distance wise this will be a. Otherwise you can write it as minus a. Right? Okay. So what is the total charge on the dipole? One is plus q, another is minus q. So total charge on the dipole will be 0. Charge is a scalar quantity. So another point, total charge on the dipole is 0, as charge is a scalar quantity. One is positive, other is negative. So sum up these two charges, net charge will be 0. We'll define one important vector quantity known as dipole moment. What is dipole moment? Dipole moment is a vector quantity which is denoted by P. This is magnitude wise any one of the charges into the distance between the two charges. This is known as a dipole moment. Dipole moment is to represent the strength of the dipole. It represents strength of electric dipole. Clear? So magnitude wise any one of the charge will work, because if this is 5 then magnitude wise this will be also 5, this is 10, this will be also 10 magnitude wise. Clear? Okay, so dipole moment is vector quantity which is denoted by P, it is equals to magnitude wise any one of the charge into the distance between two charges. The direction of dipole moment will be from negative to positive. Dipole moment, since it's a vector quantity, direction will be from, direction of dipole moment will be from negative to positive. This is the direction of dipole moment. Direction of dipole moment. What is the unit of dipole moment then? Unit of charge is coulomb. 2a is the distance, right? So distance will be measured in meter. So unit of dipole moment will be coulomb meter. Unit of dipole moment will be coulomb meter. Once again, electric dipole means a system of two equal and opposite charges separated by some finite distance. The arrangement is termed as a dipole. The total charge on the dipole will be 0, right? To determine the strength of an electric dipole, will use a vector quantity known as dipole moment, which is magnitude wise any one of the charge into the distance between two charges. Clear? And the direction will be from negative to positive. Okay, what will be the unit of dipole moment? Coulomb meter, or another unit is also there for dipole moment. Generally coulomb meter is used in most of the cases, but there is another unit known as dBi. Another unit dBi. This is also dBi, or you can say coulomb meter. Clear? That means there is some relation between dBi and coulomb meter. Okay, 1 dBi is equals to 3.3 into 10 raised to minus 30 coulomb meter. Okay. See, one thing is to be noted here. Clear? Okay. Even though total charge on the dipole is 0, the net electric field because of dipole will not be 0. See, the total charge on the dipole is 0, but what if I am finding electric field here because of the dipole along the axis? This is the axis, right? This distance was 2a. So for positive charge electric field will be away, for negative charge it will be towards, but since this distance is less, so net electric field will be towards right. It means that even though total charge on the dipole is 0, net electric field because of dipole is not 0. So it is not every time necessary that if the net charge is 0, net electric field should also be 0. No. Clear? Clear? If net charge on the dipole is 0, electric field is still non-zero. Done? Okay? Now, actually there are two types of dipole, physical dipole and short dipole. Physical dipole and short dipole. Short dipole, or you can say point dipole, or you can say ideal dipole. We will majority deal with this dipoles, short dipole. What is a short dipole? What is point dipole? What is ideal dipole? If Q tends to infinite and 2a tends to 0, that means if charge on the dipole is made up to infinite and the distance between them is reduced to infinite. So this kind of arrangement, this kind of condition for a dipole is known as short dipole or point dipole or ideal dipole. These dipoles are known as short dipole or point dipole or ideal dipole. Clear? Clear? Okay, that means in physical dipole, the distance between the two charges does not tends to 0. They are known as physical dipoles. We are not to deal with physical dipole, we will deal with short dipole, point dipole or ideal dipole. Clear? See, suppose we will solve one or two questions based on dipole. If this is the question, find net dipole moment. Find okay, both length is L, length is A, right? Now find net dipole moment. Okay, see, first of all you must be thinking that dipole is not formed. This is actually two dipoles. These are two dipoles. See, minus 2q can be treated as minus q plus q, minus q plus q. Clear? So this is minus q, this is plus q. So one dipole is this way, minus q plus q, another dipole is placed this way. So there are two dipoles, magnitude wise charges are means minus q plus q. One dipole, minus q plus q, magnitude wise charges are same, distance is same. So here the dipole moment for the first dipole will be in this minus 2 plus, other will be this way. So one vector is this way arranged and another vector is arranged in this direction, and the angle between them is 60. So net dipole moment will be under root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Clear? Using the basic laws of vector. So this will be p square plus 2p square into 1/2. So this will be root 3 times of p. Now what is p? Magnitude wise any one of the charge into the distance between two charges. Here the distance between two charges is given as L. So we'll write it as L. Here for us L will be equals to 2a. Clear? L will be equals to 2a. So this is what is dipole moment. This is how we will calculate the dipole moment. Clear? Now suppose the arrangement is given here, that means a minus 2q charge, q, L. This arrangement, this is also known as a dipole. Minus q plus q dipole moment, minus q plus q dipole moment. Clear? So one dipole moment is in this direction, one dipole moment is in this direction, angle between them is 90. Using the same formula, we will find the dipole moment. Clear? Now in the next video we will be finding the electric field because of dipole along the axis, along the equator. Clear?